We'll just take you to one of our stories that we had lined up for you earlier on, and it's just in. Top government officials, including cabinet secretaries and principal secretaries, today attended the third Thanksgiving service at the All Saints Cathedral. The officials committed to fully implement President William Ruto's manifesto. The leaders, led by the head of public service, Felix Koskei, committed to serve with integrity as part of their service to the country.
Thank you, Rayo. Thank you.
When you're prosperous and when you're successful, because your success is founded on God, others will notice you. They will recognize you. Because success that is anchored in God can never be ignored.
In the private sector, success is often measured by profit. But in your world, success is measured by the peace in our streets, the health of our neighbors, and the fairness of our laws. There were successes, there were challenges, but God saw us through.
This moment is a reflection for us as primary drivers of the country's agenda.
It's an occasion for us to take stock of the achievements we have made in the past 1 year, and indeed also the shortcomings that could have been are there all along.
And as we come to a close of this part of tonight's bulletin, let's take a quick look again at the Standard newspaper, tomorrow's edition. We have a story on the front page that reads on the headline, "Presiding over Rogues." This story talking about police violence in Kenya is no longer about rogue officers, it's systemic. Impunity runs deep. Leaders are puppets of the executive. Suspects in murders are openly contemptuous of the law, while junior officers unleash brutality on ordinary Kenyans. Lethal force, impunity and silence have become routine. Innocent civilians are shot, beaten or killed in custody. And investigations crawl, and accountability is a distant promise. From Karatina to Mathare, Nandi Hills to Githurai, every death fuels fear and mistrust. This story in page 4 of tomorrow's Standard newspaper, Kenya's bold newspaper. And this story, of course, is among the many that you will find in tomorrow's edition. So just make sure you get yourself a copy to get more details on that story. Let's take a quick look at the weather forecast. You should expect tomorrow in many regions there will be sunny intervals with partly cloudy mornings. And in northern counties, you will see there feeling a bit of heat, and of course, just like most regions in the coast, that will be similar weather. Bit of heat, just keep it simple, maybe just dress light. I don't think the weather will be harsh tomorrow. But again, let's take a look at the weather forecast for tomorrow in different areas. And when we return, we talk more about the interview, but we'll tell you more once we come back. So stay tuned.